Hey guys, this is Jordan from BlackboxMyCar, and today I'll be showing you how to hardwire a Thinkware F800 Pro to a 2018 Mercedes C63S AMG. The Thinkware F800 Pro will be the ideal choice for you if you're in the market for a top-of-the-line 2-channel dashcam. It comes with a comprehensive parking mode, tons of features, and reliability that you can trust. Before we start, make sure you've got the Thinkware mobile viewer installed on your phone. This will allow you to get a live feed from the camera while you're adjusting the angle or placement of the front and rear units. Make sure that the dashcam is not blocking your field of vision. We'll be placing this one directly behind the mirror. Connect the power cable to your dashcam and start running it along the top of the windshield towards the driver's side of the vehicle. To run the wire down the A-pillar, you may need to use the BlackboxMyCar trim tool to peel back the trim and weather lining. Use the trim tool to pop open the fuse box cover. Now, you'll have to find one constant fuse and one accessory fuse to wire the dashcam to. For this install, we'll be using the Thinkware hardwiring kit. It's important to check your labels on the wires before you connect them to the fuses. As for fuse selection, please refer to your owner's manual and make sure you aren't using any fuses that will affect your vehicle's safety features such as airbags, ABS, or anything engine related. You'll need to use a circuit tester to find out which fuses are constant and which are accessories. A constant fuse stays on when the vehicle is off, while the accessory shuts off when you turn off your vehicle. Everything that you need to hardwire a dashcam can be found in the BlackboxMyCar Essential Installation Kit. Because of the limited space in the fuse box, we will not be using an added fuse kit for this installation. Instead, wrap the wires around a prong on the fuse and directly insert the fuse back into its slot. As for the grounding point, loosen this bolt and slide the grounding wire's prongs underneath. Make sure you tighten the bolt afterwards so the grounding wire will not come loose while you're driving. Start your vehicle to check if the wiring has been done correctly. Make sure that the dashcam enters parking mode when the vehicle is turned off.
Parking recording will now start.
And exits parking mode once the vehicle is started.
Continuous recording will now start.
It may take about 20 to 30 seconds for the camera to enter parking mode after you shut off your vehicle. If everything is working correctly, you can now put the fuse box cover back on. Now, let's get started on wiring the rear camera. Plug the wire in for the front unit first before tucking it into the trim. Next, run the wires along the top of the windshield towards the passenger side this time. Continue to do so along the roof until you reach the rear window. Place the rear unit near the top of the rear window and make sure it's centered. Connect the cable to the rear unit and start your car. Check the viewing angle of your front and rear units with Thinkware's mobile viewer and make any adjustments if necessary. Now your installation is complete. If you're looking to have extended parking mode coverage, we strongly recommend installing a C63S Neo battery pack in your vehicle as well. Not only does this provide over 20 hours of parking mode for the F800 Pro, but it will also protect your vehicle's battery from wear and tear due to the constant draining from the dashcam while your vehicle is off. To learn more about the Thinkware F800 Pro or the C63S Neo battery pack, please check out the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Have any ideas for future videos that we should make? Let us know in the comments below. See you guys next time.